Guys, this is Nyahururu Thompson Fall. We are here, but there is a song, so I wanna do a voiceover. Yeah, let me just capture the videos, but because there is a song, a louder song music there, I'll have to do a voiceover. But let me show you this. Let me capture this. These views. This is Nyahururu Thompson Fall. There's some horses. Wow. I go Pura. It might rain. Ona Bura. Yeah, I'm telling them it might rain. Wow, anytime. There is kids area there. Many kids are playing there, and this is where we are coming, Thompson Fall. And I don't know whether they agreed to record or what. Me, I don't know. But this is where we are coming, Thompson Fall Lodge. Karibu. Si kwanza tunaigia, I think ina gate area. Kiada. Unaona gari? Pita. This is where we are coming. Yeah, I'm waiting for these guys. They're just walking slowly and it might rain. That's why I'm still. This is where we are supposed to pay. Let me ask the price. Pole pole, angalia kwenye unaenda shana. Sasa poa sana. Unalipa hapa? Okay, gapi? 150. So 1 2 3 4. How old is she? Children are below 10 years huku kwetu. Kama hapo ni below 10 years. Alright. So ni 5 na 2. Acha nikulipishe yote 500. Dola discount ya huyo moja. Sawa, asante. So ngapi? 1 2 3 4 na 50. So 500. Sawa. Unalipa na simu ama ni cash? Nani analipa ni wewe? No, nani ni wewe? Sawa, wanaweza ingia, unalipa ile wewe. Okay. Sawa. So guys, we are here finally. This is the Thompson Falls. Yeah. Monkey. Precious is telling me there is monkeys. Where is Shanice? Shani. Oh. I'm asking where is Shanice. Yeah, there are monkeys here and a baby monkey. Another one calling. Wow. Yes, monkeys. See that monkey? baby there. Try to film. Yeah, wow. First, let me show you the monkeys before they run away. So many monkeys, wow. Spider monkey. You see where we have that small building? Is it like a toilet there? There's something white. Let me show you with my finger. There. And that's white monkeys. And surprise is here. This is a fall. And the water goes like this. Really keep my phone like this so that I can capture the fall. That is the fall. To the other side. More monkeys. And I don't know whether we will be able to go to the other side because of these monkeys. Another monkey there, you see? Kalina baby. Another one. Msiziongereshe. Yeah. Naweza kukutandika. This is a monkey carrying a baby. Let me follow him. There you go. Wow, the back. Yeah. That's a monkey. This is a fall. And we have a 5-star. I think this is a 5-star hotel by the name Kenya.i. I think this is a 5-star, but not sure. That is it. Yeah, I think a Kenya.i hotel. Wow, I'm scared. Yeah, there is a monkey jumping. And it has a baby on its back. Can you see? Yeah, it has a baby. So that's a 5-star hotel here, right at the Thompson Fall. This is Thompson Fall. And this is Panari. See the Panari? This is Panari Hotel. Yeah, this is the Panari Nyahururu Hotel.
I think one day we have to come and visit.
Exactly. I think it's a 5-star.
Yeah, it's a 5-star
This is the fall, but right now the water is not too much. Yeah. This is Panari. Let me zoom for you. Can you imagine, guys, visiting this hotel here, right to the Thompson Fall. Yeah, and we are heading to this side. You see these people who are wearing like this, like the one who are singing there. That is a area. Maybe how much are they charging to sing for us there? Or should we first go down?
Yeah, we can go down first.
Okay. You see? These are Kikuyu attires, traditional attires. The one they are wearing. The brown one. And with these beads. So, mnachaji kupigwa picha? Ni bure tu. Ama hata nyinyi ni kuvaa tu. Mtu anavalishwa. Analipa ngapi? Tunakuja. Haya. 100. Kuvalisha hizo nguo. Tunaweza valishwa? Ama
tunaweza mimi niko naona tunaweza valishwa.
Lakini haitataki long kupigwa hiyo picha ama?
Si,
Yeah. Guys, sorry. We were discussing whether to take a photo with those Kikuyu attires or first we should go this side. And I'm not sure whether they were allowed to go this side. We are just trying our best. Exactly. It's almost dark. The sun almost sets. It's almost sunset. So that's why we are rushing to this side. I don't know whether they charge to go that side or... Yeah, you see? That's the way. And you can't go past these grills here. Yeah. My worry is because there are so many monkeys. There are monkeys on this side. Let us try our luck. Oh! Guys, we want to go down this side, but can you imagine it's raining? Can you imagine it's raining? I was fearing to go down this side because of monkeys, but unfortunately raining, so I don't know the way forward. It's rain. Yani mvua. Ashe mego viko kwa ura. But where will they go? Oh, exactly, by the way. I don't know where I am. Yeah, let's go this side. If we met a monkey, so they'll have to take our phones, but we have to fight with them. This is a risk taking. Sasa, kuna watu huko? Oh, naogopa. Yeah, guys, can you see these stairs? This is where we are heading. Nayo. Hi? Oh my God, we want to go, but the rain won't allow us. What?
The rain is coming like this.
Guys, we are scared because there is rain. Should we just wait for the rain? But I think haitanyesha. Hey, let's go back fast. Guys, we want to go this side, but can you imagine it's raining? Let's first chill here and see whether the rain will stop. Yeah, this is a protected zone. Entry is restricted. Wow, why? Beware of wild. Let's read here. Beware of wild animals and always walk in groups. Beyond this point, yeah, no littering or dumping in the park. So this is a warning. There's wild animals on this side and walk as groups. Yeah, because you have seen monkeys and there are so many other wild animals. Wanakwambia?
I think we need to go.
Yeah.
Let's just go.
Yeah, the rain won't kill us, guys.
Yeah.
Let's risk. If you get rained, well and good. Yeah, let's start walking. Now there are some staircase, so we have to go down. Yeah, there are so many people there. Let's go. Sharon, we have to hurry up. Harakisha because of rain. Let's hurry up. Wow, guys, this is a risk taking. I've never gone down beyond this point. This is a forest. I have seen how many monkeys are here. There are too many, but we have to take a risk. Oh my God, I don't know whether there are other people here. Oh my God, oh, we are just us. What is the time, Sharon? Yeah, we might take a risk and maybe there are nobody here. See, this is another view. This is a view. Guys, can you see these stones? Oh, I have been zooming my phone, my God. See? You can see this fall. And it's just because we are far. If we go nearer, you see? Yeah, but we want to go to the other side. We want to go up to there, Sharon.
Up to there?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
But we have to go. Yeah, let's go back because we want to go down.
That's me, yeah.
Me here. Yeah, and we want to take a risk down there. So let's hurry up, by the way. We better come up slowly, but going down. Wow. Let's go. I want to ask this lady whether there are other peoples there. Sasa? Kuna watu huko? Oh, tusijipate peke yetu. Oh, I was asking that lady whether there are other peoples down here, because I don't want to take a risk and get myself there. Guys, let me show you these views. It's about to rain. Oh my God. Yeah, let's continue walking. We have been told to go down as a group because of the monkeys. Let's continue going. See where people are coming. And imagine that's where we are going. That's Sharon. It's not an easy task. Kuna watu chini? Oh. So we need to continue going. Guys. Oh my God. Twende Sharon. Me, I have to go down. Oh my God, this is not easy. I don't know how I will come up, but I have to go down. I'm alone here. I have left Liwa home. This is where we are going. Hey, already my legs are aching. Jesus. And we have to go. We have to continue going down. I don't know whether there are people here or am I risking. You know, this area you might get there is some thieves. So I'm kind of scared, guys. See me going down here. I might meet a monkey, guys. What do you think? Yeah, at least my heart is now at peace. There are some people coming. Barian? Kuna watu? Oh. Yeah, at least I was asking whether there are some people here, and for sure they are saying yes. So let's go. Me, I want to hurry up because it wants to rain. You see where people are? I have to go to that side. Yeah, my God, I recorded people there and they are doing bad. I miss, you know, here in Kenya you are not supposed to kiss on a public area. I just recorded them without knowing. And here we are. Wow. I thought we were alone, but at least I'm at peace. So many people here. So many. This is the water. And I want to go down there. Jesus, can you see where we are passing? Oh my God. Go down like this. Oh, wow. Hey, he was like running. Why? I don't want the rain to rain before I come to this. That's Sharon. You see where we are coming? Not a joke. Yeah, this is where we are going. This is the Thompson Fall. Sharon, help me with this phone.
Oh my God.
Go down fast.
Are you coming?
Yes. Sorry, my dear.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Just go down fast.
Look at this. Unataka nikuchukue? Fika basi ukuje kunichukua. Ah.
Are you trying to swim with it?
I didn't see that. There she is.
My legs are aching here.
Ah, because of that thing.
And then right.
Hey, don't forget we wanted to go back there.
Wow, how will we manage to go up? Let's go and take some photos on that side.
I'm going even to remove shoes. Oh my God.
Guys, I know you can't hear me. See? Many people's here. Let's go this side, Sharon, first. This is Thompson Falls. Oh my God. You know, it's hiking. We are down and the fall is at the upper side. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, can you imagine? I'm sweating. Woo, watch your legs. Oh, you see? Sharon almost fall down. Me, I won't pass there. I'm sweating, guys. And that's only coming down. What about going to the upper side, guys? Just see. Wow. And you see that fall? Let me go near. Ooh. You might think it's raining here, but that's the water, the vapor from the fall. But it's almost raining. Sharon, usikaribia. Watu wanaendanga, okay? Enda kwenye watu wanaenda. I'm trying to caution Sharon. She's a young girl, not to go near that side. She might fall down. No, she's still young and daring. And this area is very slippery. Wow, the rain. Woo. Sharon. Wow.
I'm going to remove the crowd.
You sure? We want to take some.
My legs are shaking like
Let's do faster and have some photos there. Guys, this is a hike. Not a joke. Wow. Here we are. Can you see where the water is coming? That's Sharon.
Yeah.
Whew. Not a joke. Sharon, we need to take some photos before. Oh my God!
It's like a rain here. Let's go there.
We are getting rain from this fall. Wow, Sharon! I'm not going beyond that place. No, don't! Don't go there. Sharon! Just see, this is the water, the nature. Wow. See, this water comes from Lake Ouroboros, and it is very, very huge fall. I know you can't hear me well because of the noise from the fall. This is where the water goes. And it keeps going deeper to the forest. Yeah. That is Sharon. And now this is me. Guys, I'm getting rained. Thank God I have this cape because it's protecting my face. So that's me. Yeah, this is the fall. You see this water? For me, I can't go near this area. But some people are there. Are those bananas? No, I don't think so. Did the people plant these bananas? And guys, it's raining. It's raining. This is Sharon. Woo! I almost fall down here. I'm scared. People are getting photos from this area. Yeah, that's Lee Wahome, Sharon.
Yeah.
Some other people there, and
Maybe I can give myself a
yeah, here is my sister Lee Wahome. She's
Yes.
also a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Let her give herself a shout out.
kindly.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for supporting Helena Shi, and welcome back again to this channel of Helena Shi. Guys, continue supporting her. Let's take her to 1,000 subscribers, and also let's help her to get the 4,000 watch hours. So guys,
Sure.
I am so much happy today. We are exploring this beautiful hidden gem in Laikipia County, Nyahururu. There is a very massive and beautiful waterfall. So you can go and check me out as well. I go by the name Lee Wahome on YouTube. Guys, go subscribe to my channel, watch my videos from the start to the end, and also please, please, please take me to 1,000 subscribers and also watch my videos from the start to the end. Help me hit the 4,000 watch hours. I will really appreciate. Let me show you my channel name.
Sure. Before you show,
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, so guys, that's my sister Lee Wahome. Go check her. Let her show us her YouTube channel. Sharon. Yes. Here is Sharon Kenya.i. She's also a young YouTuber. Let her give herself a shout out. Okay guys, welcome back to this channel, to Kenya.i channel. Welcome. Thank you for supporting her. Continue supporting her. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. Yeah, also I am a YouTuber. You can check me. I go by the name Sharon Kenya.i. Yeah, the voice. Increase your voice. Oh. Tell them again your YouTube channel. Oh, my YouTube channel, I go by the name Sharon Kenya.i. You can check me there. Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Exactly. Yeah, that is Sharon Kenya.i. She's also a young YouTuber. She has visited our home and she came here with me, Wahome. Go check her out. She is also a small YouTuber. I think she hasn't reached 10 subscribers. So guys, at least push her to 20 subscribers. That is 20. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, have you seen it?
Yeah. Though my screen is kinda in a mess, but guys,
that is L. Yes, then Lee Wahome, L-I-I, then Wahome. Wahome is clear. Yeah, her phone has cracked, but she'll get a new phone by God's grace.
Amen.
Yeah, so that she can be able to record very well.
Yes.
And
yeah, thank you so much, Kenya.i, for hosting me on your channel. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes.
So we are still at Thompson's Fall, Nyahururu. The fall is on the other side. It was raining and we had to come back to this side. I haven't shown you this side how it is. You know, monkeys might carry us here. You see, we are very down. Very down. Let me check out this side what we have. Don't know what it is here. The water is still flowing. On this side, you see? And that is me on this side. Let me give you a drink. We are deep in the forest. Very deep in the forest. I know you can't hear me. Here is the water. Wow. Coming from that side, I'm going to this side. See? Many people have died in this fall. Many. I don't want to be one of them. That's why I couldn't go near the water on the upper side. Let me take you back there because the rain just stopped. That's Sharon and my sister. I want to go to the other side there. Guys, I'm still at the hidden gem in Nyahururu. This is my country. No, oh my God. They took our fall, our waterfall, and now it's in Laikipia. But still in Kenya. Yeah, this is the fall. I want to go near again, but I fear we are watching these people here. We don't want them to leave us here because we don't want to go up alone. So this is the fall here. Yeah, just see. I would wish to go to the other side, but unfortunately it's very scary this side. Let me just I'm rushing to this side. At the same time I'm scared because there are a lot of bees here. They can hijack you and steal your properties. Yeah, but let me hope God is with me. They might be hiding here. Again, there is monkeys. That's the last view. And there is a small fall here. Can you see it? There? Yeah, a small fall. Guys, these are not bananas. I don't know the English name. Let me just go back. I'm risking my life. Let me tell my sister we need to go back. because you can't trust people who are here. This was a risk taking. We have been rained on while hiking. Just imagine. Yeah, I'm very excited. Very excited. I want to tell them we need to go back as soon as possible. Yeah, we need to go back. Yeah, wait. Yeah, I can't trust people who are here. That's why I'm telling my sister we need to go back. Yeah, me, I have started going back. I won't wait any longer here. We need to go back. And that God help us, God. Fingers crossed. No monkey, no bees. Yeah, because it is late. Your home is there. They are kinda not scared. Woo. Yeah, those are young girls and boys. Couples. They have ruined their day. They have ruined their day. We need to go back. Yeah, I'm trying to call Sharon on the other side. This is my sister. And can you just imagine, this is how we are climbing. Sharon! Bye! Yeah, we want to go back, guys. Can you imagine, this is where we are going back? It's not a joke. Not a joke, but the right is on this side. So I think we need to ride. Yeah. We can start our journey going back.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's about time.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go fast to that side. Very risky. Yeah. There's a voice. I think it's from a rabbit. I'm not trusting those guys there. They might be posting there and they are the lead, so I want to rush on this side. Yeah, I can see they are coming.
Yeah.
So let's continue riding to this side.
Yeah. Guys, this is tricky, but Helena, she is already up there. So
Let me take the phone and help her.
yeah.
Okay, you see?
It's not a joke.
I can help you your phone
Yes, please.
because it's not easy.
I have to.
That is Sharon.
I am.
Huh? That is Sharon there.
Let's go.
Ooh, it's not easy thing. Yeah, there are so many at least that we have to go back.
Yeah. I have to remove this. It has been tricky, so I'm already sweating.
You are starting like me. We need to hurry up so that we will not be the last one. Yeah, these are the last. These ones there, they are the last people to climb. And I want us to at least to do faster so that we will not be the last one. That's your home. It's not a joke. Fear.
I had to remove my jacket.
Oh my God, this sweater is very wet.
It wasn't
I've been
easy.
rained on.
You can't imagine, you can't believe I started sweating and
We are going back to where we came from. So you see this one? I can hear there's some voice and I don't know what it is. Yeah. You see? It's hard of me. I'm not trusting those guys. I have to capture them very well. Oh my god. Shiki. Yeah, 20 touch. Is it recorded?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, capture the whole of me.
Yeah. It's not easy. That is Elena Shive crying there. Yeah. So can see. Oh my god.
Have to go up there.
Yeah, I can see it.
Recording is freedom. Nagerate.
Naacha kula kodi yangu nishaacha.
Sasa umetulia na hiyo.
Eh.
Let's go. Yeah, guys. Woo.
Be careful.
Not easy. Oh my god. How to go up to that side? I have first to start here. Yeah. Not easy. It's not easy. This is me now relaxing. This is the view. You see where Liwahome is coming from? We are coming from there deep. And now we are almost at the tree side here. It's not a joke. Oh. Yeah, this is where we are going now. This is Sharon. Go, we are going. Cried, continue. Let's go. That is Sharon.
It is not easy.
Woof. I might fall. That's the
Elena, are you not sweating like us?
I'm sweating.
And you are still in the sweater.
Yeah, I want to remove now. Help me this one.
Yeah, I'm wondering
Help me,
if Elena,
help
she
me,
is
please.
sweating. This
Take.
is not a joke. Are you
Help me
sweating?
to fall.
This is not a joke.
It is not.
She had to remove her sweater.
Sure,
Guys.
I have to.
She had
No,
to.
otherwise.
Yeah.
And we
Oh
have
my
been
God.
rained on. What if it was
Elena, she
And remember,
She
we
is
are halfway.
remove. Imagine
not even her?
Okay,
Quarter,
maybe
we are
we've
not.
done like a quarter.
yeah,
exactly.
quarter, I think.
Because you are.
As you can see.
I'm ready now.
Yeah.
Maybe you can go on the upper side. I help you.
Yeah, just for like a minute or so.
Okay.
Because time is not on our side, guys.
Yeah, we need to hurry up by the way. Faster, Sharon. Or let me just, Sharon, let me go.
Yeah, you guys. That the over there. I think
That's the Wahome. Yeah, that is Lee Wahome there.
Yeah, thank you, Helena.
Yeah.
Guys, we need to do this. We have to do this. This is not a joke.
Oh my God.
We are going up.
If I slide just here,
Yeah, just
you are
look at
done.
the stairs.
Yeah, this is the stairs here.
Oh,
You come this way, you see, and you have to go to this side. If you slide here, you are done then. You see, you roll to the downside. See, yeah.
up there.
Cried. Oh my God. That's Lee, and that is Sharon. Wow. See her? And a panda, she's struggling. I'm telling her to go, just go. And I don't know how I will go myself. And don't forget, guys, we are scared of monkeys at the same time.
She's really struggling to climb here.
And we are scared of thieves. Just look. See? You can't see even the way to go down. And we are going this side. Some people coming. Hey. Let me just go. Woo! Oh my God, I almost fall down. I wish I never. I wish I never came all the way this side. See the view. This is a forest. Can you see some people coming from that down there? This is the forest. Yeah. Turn. Keep walking. Yeah, it is here. We are almost out of there. You see? To walk faster. Now I can see the mountain on this side. Yeah, we are no longer down. See? We were down. At least now we are on the safer side. The downside is the scariest one. But the monkeys are so many. Oh my God. Guys, I need something somewhere. It's not adding up. That's where we are coming from. Very deep inside the forest. But I was scared. Very scared. And here is the hotel. Just right here at Waterfall. You see? Just here. I even don't know how they build those buildings, but at least there is a rock. It can't fall down. This is Panari Hotel. Yeah, it's Panari Hotel. And I'm here. Still walking. I wanted to cool myself down. The fall is still there, can you see? Yeah, that's the water. And we left my mom there with the kids. We have to go back. Yeah, this is where the light is. We have to go back where they are. I'm sitting, can you see? Yeah, I'm sweating. Here you go, you see? Even my top is sticking on my body because of the way this area is cold. But the view is giving. Just see, this is how the view looks. I really like this area. Yeah, let's go. I know this side you can't see me well. Again, I think I should remove this. My heart. Yeah. Now it's not reflecting the white. Oh. See. Huh? I'm still walking. Let's go back.
Niyo dia lagi kana kile. Lumapanda. Akan dikatili waktu itu. Saja. Semangkali.
Sanki pozlu. Ha böyle işte. Coming back. Now going back home. Ah? Siku ingine. Yeah, he wanted to take a photo, but we are good. Now we are up. We are on the safe side. I don't know.
It's not easy.
We go and look where the children are.
Let's just go and check on them first.
Let's go and check where we left them. They are with their grandma.
We can figure out what to do.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yeah. Whew. What an easy thing. This is where the light is. I'm so tired. I have nothing to say, guys. We are going back to where we left those babies. The fall is there. Yeah, we are going back. I don't know how we'll wake up tomorrow because my legs are aching. They are like what is it called? Is it shivering or? I just forgot the name. They are shaking. I want to say my legs are shaking like this. Yeah, I know, I'm scared. We left them there outside. This is the time you are coming back. We left them at the Bouncing Council, but it rained, so they have now to stay there. You see where they are? Yeah. Oof, I'm still sweating, as you can see. I'm sweating. Let me show you the fall like the last time. That's the fall. This is the 316. That's the fall there. This is the 316. 316. 316. Back to the falls, and on that side we have hotels there. So many hotels on this side, more hotels. This side, more hotels. So guys, allow me to go and take a cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching until this point. Gosh, he has to run to me. Where's mom? Hi, mommy. So guys,
Kama umeenda wapi?
uko kwenye maji iko huko chini. Shanice wanted to know where I was. I'm telling her you were there. We can't see even where we were down there, and you have to go that way for you to reach to where the water is. Though I didn't reach there, I was kind of scared because it's very slippery. So guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. If I reach until this point, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and see you on the next video. I'm kind of confused, still sweating like crazy. So see you on the next video. And Precious is alive. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.